To remove the background in Photoshop, you have a couple of options. If you have the AI toolbar, you can simply click on Remove Background. Otherwise, in older versions of Photoshop, you can click on Remove Background under Properties. If you don't see the Properties window, you can activate it under the Window menu. Clicking on either option will create a mask that you can further edit by double-clicking on it. You'll have various settings to adjust the edges as needed. Try different settings to see what looks best for your image. Sometimes the automatic background removal may not work perfectly, and too many parts of the image might get cut off. In such cases, click on Select Subject, and then choose the Quick Selection tool under the Magic Wand tool. You can expand the selection by clicking or remove parts by holding down the minus sign. Adjust the selection until you're satisfied, then go to the menu and click Select, followed by Inverse. Finally, press the Delete key to remove the background. Experiment with these methods to achieve the best results for your specific image. For more tutorials, click here.